If you have a video footage with audio, then what you can actually do is you can go ahead and remove the audio and encode only the video out of it as well. So to do that, let me just go ahead and import out a video clip right here. So you can see that I have this particular video right here. So let's just go ahead on to the audio tab right here. And you can see that there's audio tracks right here. So all you need to do right here is click on the cross button right here. Or if you have multiple audio tracks, you can simply click on clear and all of the tracks will be gone. So now if you simply were to go ahead and start the encode right here, then what you can do is you can go ahead and encode it out. So over here, you can see that it says the destination directory is actually low in space. So I'm just going to go ahead and change that out and select another location right here. Let's say, for example, over here, I'm going to go ahead and save it and then start the encoding process just like this. And once you do that, what happens is that it'll go ahead and encode out the video without any audio. And that is how you can get a silent video as you want from Handbrake as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe